Hello everyone, myself Hemant Panchal from New Catholic Mission School, Jhabua. Today we are going to start chapter number 13 and chapter name is symmetry. In this chapter we discuss different types of figures and shapes, and first of all question arises in your mind, what do you mean by symmetry? For this first we draw the figure like square. Square is a figure. And what is the symmetry? So symmetry, that means if we draw a line, and this figure is divided in two equal shape, that means this portion and this portion looking like a same, that means figure L1 and figure L2 both are same. This is called symmetry. We take another example. For discuss symmetry, we take a rectangle. Okay, so if we draw horizontal line, so these two portions, these and these, both are equal in shape. If we fold it, so this portion and this point and this point is overlap these two points. That means this point is overlap this point and this point is overlap these points. Okay, if we fold it, okay, so this is called line of symmetry. So this is called line of symmetry. And one thing I remember you, how many line of symmetry in particular figure. So it is not necessary to only single line of symmetry. We draw more than one line of symmetry like this. Okay, so this line of symmetry again divide the two equal part. Okay, so how many line of symmetry draw in square pattern? So we call 1, 2, 3 and 4. We draw how many line of symmetry? Line of symmetry is equal to 4. We draw 4 line of symmetry in square. Okay, and these 4 line of symmetry divide square in two equal part. Okay, so this is the concept of symmetry. Okay, I conclude symmetry is a concept in which your figure is divided in two equal part. Okay, so this is called symmetry. So based on this concept, we solve the exercise 13.1 and question number first is, please see the exercise 13.1 and question number 1 is, list any 4 symmetrical object from your home or school. Okay, so symmetrical, question number 1. Okay, symmetrical object we use in our daily life in your home or school. Okay, so in home and school. Okay, in home we use clock. Okay, that means clock. Okay, so this is a symmetrical object. And school like blackboard and note book. Okay, blackboard and notebook is a symmetrical. Okay, and also we is a door. Okay, door is also symmetrical objects. Okay, so in home clock and door, and school blackboard and notebook. Okay, apart from this object we use different objects in our daily life. So this is question number 1 solution. Now question number 3, identify the shape. Which object is symmetrical or not? We have different shapes or called objects. Question number 3. First we have a lock. Okay, so this is symmetrical or not. For this we draw a line of symmetry, and this line is divided into two equal parts. So okay, this line is divided two equal part, like this is a semicircle, okay, and this is also same kind of division. Okay, so this is called, this object is called symmetrical. Okay, it means this lock is symmetrical objects. Okay, and second is a like a glass. Okay, this is symmetrical or not. Okay, if we draw horizontal line, so this is not symmetrical because this part is different from this part. But if we draw vertical line, so this part is same. Okay, this part is same in size and okay. Now if we draw okay like D, okay, so this is symmetrical or not. For this we draw the horizontal line. So this figure and this figure is, this part and this part is a symmetrical in size. Okay, now and remaining is for your homework. Okay, now question number 4. Okay, draw the sketch. Draw the sketch, and we have a incomplete portion of the figure in question number 4. Okay, copy the following figure in a square sheet paper, and square is what you have used in arithmetic notebook in earlier, and complete the such that dotted line. Okay, now we have a line of symmetry, and this is a incomplete figure. Okay, and this is a line of symmetry. Now we complete this figure. Okay, so okay, this is a complete figure, and this is a line of symmetry. That means this part and this part is a same in size. Okay, if you draw in square sheet paper, this diagram is fully equal in size. Okay, because this is a rough diagram. Okay, so now I can't able to draw this diagram in same size. Okay, so this size and this portion is both are same because this is your line of symmetry. Okay, now we have another incomplete shape like this. Okay, and this is your line of symmetry. Now we complete this figure. Okay, okay, so this is your complete diagram. We draw the complete diagram, and this is your line of symmetry. Okay, now question number 5. Again we have a incomplete diagram and one line of symmetry. Question number 5. Again we have a incomplete diagram. First we draw the incomplete diagram, and this is your line of symmetry. Okay, so if this is a line of symmetry and this is the incomplete diagram, now we complete the diagram. So we draw same line, and this is your complete diagram. Okay, and with the help of line of symmetry we have seen this is a reflected diagram. Okay, this diagram is reflected in bottom side. Okay, so these portion and this portion both are equal. Okay, now question number 6 is for your homework. Again we have a diagram and one line of symmetry. Try to complete in your own manner. Okay, now we see the some figure like rectangle, square, circle. These figure are symmetrical or not. Okay, so now we check in exercise 13.2 square. We have different types of 2D shapes, and now we check this symmetrical, this figure is symmetrical or not for exercise 13.2. Now we check question number 1. Find the number of line of symmetry. We already know if we draw more than one line of symmetry for particular figures. Okay, for question number first, find the number of line of symmetry for each of the following shape. We have a figure like this. Okay, now we see this is a square pattern figure. Okay, so how many line of symmetry we draw in this shape? So first of all, we draw first line of symmetry. Again, this is a line of symmetry, and we also draw the diagonally line of symmetry. Okay, so in square pattern we have 1, 2, 3 and 4 line of symmetry. Number of line of symmetry is equal to 4. Okay, now we have a diagram. E part. Okay, now we draw the E part. We have a hexagon. Okay, we have a hexagon. Okay, we have a hexagon. If in hexagon all sides are equal, so we draw the 6 line of symmetry. Okay, so now we check 1, okay, and 2. Okay, in this case we draw 1 and 2 line of symmetry. Okay, so number of line of symmetry is symmetry is equal to 2. How many line of symmetry in this diagram? Okay, in this diagram, if you have equal side, if you have equal length of side, we draw 6 line of symmetry in hexagon. Okay, so now again we have a diagram. Okay, like this. This is your G part. Okay, G part. This is how many line of symmetry we draw. Okay, so first this 1. Okay, 1 line of symmetry, and here, okay, this line of symmetry, because this part and this part is equal in size. So this is your, and yes, so how many line of symmetry? 1 and 2. Okay, and vertically we can't draw the vertically line. Okay, so only 1 and 2 line of symmetry. Okay, now question number 2. We have some different types of triangle like equilateral, isosceles and scalene type of triangle, and how many line of symmetry in this type of triangle. So first we draw question number 2. Question number 2. we have a equilateral triangle. If we have equilateral triangle, in equilateral triangle all three sides are equal. Okay, in equilateral triangle, how many line of symmetry we draw in equilateral triangle? Okay, so 1, 2 and 3. Okay, because all three sides are equal, so we draw three number of line of symmetry in equilateral triangle. Okay, how many line of symmetry? 3. But in isosceles triangle we know that only two sides are equal. Only two sides are equal. So we draw only single line of symmetry. If we draw only single line of symmetry, so these part and these part are equal in size. Okay, so in isosceles triangle we draw only single line of symmetry. Now if we draw a scalene triangle, in a scalene triangle we already know all three sides are unequal. All three sides are unequal. That means, okay, all three sides are unequal. So we never draw any line of symmetry in scalene triangle because all three sides are unequal in sides. Okay, so if we draw any line of symmetry, so these part and these part are never equal. Okay, so in scalene triangle we have a zero line of symmetry. Okay, now question number 3. Question number 3, we have some diagram in equilateral triangle. So first we draw the equilateral triangle like this. How many line of symmetry? 3. In equilateral triangle we have 3 line of symmetry, and square we have a 4 line of symmetry. In rectangle, now we discuss rectangle. So 1 and 2, 1 and 2, how many line of symmetry? 2. Only 2 line of symmetry. Now isosceles triangle we already know only single line of symmetry. How many line of symmetry? Single line of symmetry. Now rhombus, okay, like a rhombus is like a square. Okay, so 1 and 2, how many line of symmetry? 2. Only 2 line of symmetry we draw in rhombus pattern. Now circle, okay, very interesting concept in line of symmetry in circle. How many line of symmetry we draw in circle? So first we draw the circle, and circle has a one center point. Okay, so if we draw any line of symmetry passing through the center, so these line divided into semicircle. So okay, so this circle divided into 2 semicircle. Okay, if we draw any line of symmetry through the center, so these line divided into 2 equal part. Okay, okay, so how many line of symmetry we draw? Uncountable. That means we can't count the line of symmetry in square. Okay, so our answer will be infinite line of symmetry. Okay, not only 1, 2, 3, and we have a infinite line of symmetry. That means uncountable. Okay, so this is your answer, infinite line of symmetry in circle. Okay, now question number 4, can you draw a triangle which has only one of line of symmetry? Yes. Okay, we draw the isosceles triangle with only one line of symmetry. Okay, we have a one line of symmetry in isosceles triangle. Okay, exactly two line of symmetry. Okay, we can't. Question number 2, you draw any triangle with two line of symmetry? No, we can't draw any triangle with two line of symmetry. Okay, but three line of symmetry we have a equilateral triangle. Okay, if all three sides are equal, so we draw the three line of symmetry. Okay, how many line of symmetry? Three line of symmetry in equilateral triangle. Okay, and no line of symmetry. Okay, we already know if we draw the scalene triangle, because in scalene triangle all three sides are unequal in size, so we never put any line of symmetry in scalene triangle. Okay, so your answer will be scalene triangle. Okay, so this is your concept. Now question number 5, a triangle with a horizontal line of but not vertical line of symmetry. Okay, a triangle with a horizontal line but not a vertical line. Now we try to draw a triangle which have only horizontal line of symmetry. Okay, horizontal line of symmetry. Okay, so if we draw like this type of triangle, okay, and we put the horizontal line of symmetry. Okay, but we can't put any vertical line of symmetry because this portion and this portion are differ. Okay, so we only draw horizontal line of symmetry. Okay, so try to justify your figures. Okay, and remaining question is for your homework, like a quadrilateral with both horizontal and vertical line. So we draw triangle, we draw quadrilateral, means a quadrilateral have minimum 4 sides, so 1 2 3 and 4, and we put both horizontal and vertical. Okay, so this is your horizontal line and this is your vertical line. Two line of symmetry, one horizontal and two vertical line, possible in rectangle. Okay, now question number 6, trace each figure and draw the line of symmetry. Again we have some figures and same kind of concept. Try to draw the line of symmetry and try to divide figures in two equal size. Okay, so question number, this is your exercise 13.2. Now your last exercise 13.3. Okay, we have again some figures and find the number of line of symmetry. Okay, again we have a different types of shape and we try to find out the line of symmetry. Okay, so your figure is okay, this is a rough diagram. Okay, so how many line of symmetry we are able to draw in figure? Okay, so 1 and 2 3 and 4. Okay, we draw 4 line of symmetry in this diagram. How many line of symmetry? 4 line of symmetry we are able to draw in this type of figure. Okay, again we have a tree. Okay, we have a this type of tree. So how many line of symmetry? Only one line of symmetry we can draw. And this type of figure, okay, 1, okay, and 2. Only 2 line of symmetry we can draw, okay, and remaining figures is for your homework. Now same as question number 3rd, okay. This is very interesting question. This is based on alphabetical form and mirror image. This concept is based on mirror image, okay. Suppose we have letter A, okay, and we put a mirror, okay, and what is the reflected image, okay, what is the reflected image? So in case of A, we have a same reflected image, okay, and which type of figure? We have a vertical mirror, okay. This is a vertical mirror. But in case of B, so this is symmetrical or not? Yes, letter A is symmetrical letter in case of vertical mirror. A is a symmetrical. But in case of B, so we draw in reflected image like this. So this is not a reflected image, okay. Now we discuss horizontal mirror, okay. So if we draw O, okay, so in case of letter O and we put the horizontal mirror, so reflected image will be same. O is a circle and circle, okay. So O is a symmetrical letter in case of horizontal mirror, okay. And if we draw X in vertical mirror, so reflected image will be same. So try to check which letter is symmetrical in vertical and which letter is symmetrical in horizontal mirror, okay. So try to classify the alphabets in vertical and horizontal mirror, okay. Suppose we have a P, okay, letter P, and we have a vertical mirror. So what is the reflected image? So reflected image will be like this, and this is not a symmetrical, okay. So this is your exercise 13.3 and this is your last exercise, okay. Thanks for watching this video.